for red apple. B for basket. C for cat. D for dog. Letter E for elephant. F for fan. G for goat. Letter H for horse. Letter I for ice cream. Letter J for jar. Letter K for kite. Letter L for lion. Letter M for mango. Letter N for nest. O for owl. Letter P for pencil. Letter Q for queen. Letter R for rose. Letter S for sun. Letter T for table. Letter U for umbrella. Letter V for van. Letter W for what. Letter X for X-ray. Letter Y for yo-yo. Letter Z for zebra.